Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Tracy Jackson here. Hope you guys are having a great day. I am going to do a brief breakdown in this video of the FES Protection Plan. Yes, I have titled it Scam. I just wanted to put the word in there because it sounds fun. I know I'm silly. But pretty much definitely not a scam here. I'm going to show you guys what else is included into this plan. I know a lot of people, when they hear credit repair services, or if they think of our FES protection plan, they think it's just credit repair. But I think what excited me the most was, for the price that we pay monthly, you guys, we actually get access to all of this stuff that you see here on the left side. So what I wanted to do in this video is pretty much just give you a brief description of everything else that you get included in your protection plan. Okay, so most of you probably know about the credit restoration part, where it's more of a hands-free approach to the company kind of sending you those letters, creating the letters and disputing accounts that you need to be removed from your credit report so that you can increase your credit. So that is the flagship product of the protection plan that most people know about. However, what happens after your credit is already repaired or becomes repaired? Then you want to make sure that you maintain it. You want to make sure that your spending habits are good. You want to make sure that you've learned how to budget and manage your money and your bills, etc. So there are lots of tools that are incorporated into this plan that not only teach you how to understand your credit and keep it good after they repair it, but also how to track it and other things as well that I'm just going to go over here briefly with you. Okay, so this is the credit part. Credit Builder is going to give you access to the education. It goes over certain things about your payment history, different types of credit inquiries, etc. There is a tools and resources area down here that's going to give you a lot of access to a lot of different topics regarding building your credit, tips to maintaining your credit, etc. that I just mentioned. All right, there's a resource center that also talks about budgeting, gives you financial calculators, worksheets, and that type of thing. So very good resources there under the Credit Builder, because you want to build your credit and you want to maintain it. For those of you who might be needing a credit attorney, that is available as well. So if you're having bill collectors, we know that they harass you, right? They harass you, but it is not something that they should be doing. So it's something that you can have access to a credit attorney so that they can help you deal with those things. Also, if you have issues with reporting or different things that are reported on your credit that are an issue and you need an attorney, you do have a way through this plan to access a credit attorney. So that's a really cool tool as well if you're needing that. Smart Credit, we kind of talked about that already in another video, but if you didn't catch that video, Smart Credit is really, really cool because it allows you to continuously 24/7 monitor your credit scores and your credit report. Anything that comes through your credit report, like a transaction, it's going to alert you. If it's not something that you did or it seems fraudulent, you can dispute it right away. It allows you to, down here, if you see the money management part, you can get alerts when your bills are due. It really just helps you to stay in tune with what's going on with you financially, so that if it's anything that needs to be taken care of, you can take care of it right away before it becomes an issue and then ends up on your credit report. Sorry about that. So you can do planning, budgeting through the money management part of this, and it's really a cool tool. I wish I could I was going to log in on my account, but I don't want to worry about blurring all my information. But so yeah, this is just a general overview of what you get. Live ID Alert is going to give you a way to stop certain unauthorized transactions that are going on your credit report and that type of thing. So really, really, really cool resource for you to be able to monitor things, especially after your credit is cleaned up. My Care Plan, this is a way for you to create living wills, power of attorney, financial power of attorney. So very, very cool resource there, or I guess a cool benefit, because it can be very expensive to create a living will, a living trust, and that type of thing. So you get access to create all of that through this plan, okay? LifeLock. So you guys, some people, when we talk about, is this a scam? Of course it's not a scam, because LifeLock is a huge name. They would not partner with a company or partner with something that is a scam, okay? Because that's their name, their brand. So they allow us to have access to identity theft services, all right? So anytime that you would have an issue with thinking that your identity has been stolen, or if you need to dispute anything, you will have access to the LifeLock plan, which you can get more information on that when you become a member as well, if you want more details. All right, FES Debt Zero. So this is something I'm hugely passionate about, is budgeting and managing debt is so important. So if you are in debt and you're looking for, you just don't know where to start. So this can give you the education, the tool, and the plan. Okay, most people don't have a plan on how they're going to pay down debt. They don't really know where to start. So it's going to help you figure out how you can start paying some things down, because remember, that affects your credit as well. So when you have a high debt or I should say high utilization, meaning you're using a lot of your funds that are available to you through your credit cards and loans and etc., then it's going to make your score go down. So just lowering your debt alone could increase, it really makes a huge impact on your credit score. So Debt Zero is another tool that you can access to help give you information and plan to lower your debt. We all have debt, but the goal is to minimize it, okay, so that you can start saving and creating, saving funds for things that are, going to be coming up in the future, or things that you have plans to do, like buying certain things, okay, car, house, whatever it is. All right, Financial Lockbox is really, really cool. Let me see if I can click here. So the Lockbox pretty much gives you one place that you can have all of your policies, your bank accounts, financial data. So for example, if something were to happen to you, God forbid, that you have everything in one place so that people can access all of your accounts and know everything that you have going on all in one spot. So that's really, really cool benefit as well. They do also have life insurance that you can access. We know a lot of people do not have a life insurance policy for whatever reason, but it is definitely important. You want to be prepared in case anything happens for you, especially if you have assets, if you have children, if you have a family that you're supporting. It is very, very important, because you just never know what's going to happen. So that is included into this plan, and you guys can see more details if you once you become a member. All right, discount shopping, so that's a cool benefit as well. This is like one of the more like a cashback feature that they've incorporated into the plan, to where if you come through the portal here and you want to go shopping at places that you see here, Kohl's, Best Buy, and tons of other websites online, it will allow you to purchase on their website, and then you'll get rewards, a certain percent of rewards based on what you buy. So that's another way to save money, which is always a great thing. We all want to save money. All right, so this is really, really neat. Actually, one of my favorite parts of this whole plan, okay? And here's why. It is so important for us to educate our children about finance, about money. I talked about in one of my other videos, to just ask yourself, how many of you actually, had someone to guide you or lead you as far as what to do with your money? So it just wasn't something that was really incorporated, unless your parents sat you down and they showed you. Some schools had, finance classes and things like that, but not everybody had access to that. And to be honest, it's more of like a real life thing that you kind of have to experience. You kind of have to go through learning different things. It's like trial and error. So we don't always make the right choices with our money, but if we have the right education and the right information up front, it can make our children, our youth, more prepared. So the Family Mint program is a youth financial literacy foundation that has a program for kids, okay, for children financial literacy. So it's a program that they can go through online to really give them the education. They also have a volunteer opportunity. It looks like it's pretty much like a program that you can offer to middle school age children, and it gives you the whole outline of what the teachers will teach, and different letters to the parents, workbooks, and things like that. So for anyone that would be interested in that, I think it's a really neat program. And for those that do complete the program, they do offer possible scholarships and donations to schools and things like that. So they're really, really passionate about youth understanding the basic financial principles and ways to manage with their credit and with money. So if you guys have children, I definitely recommend you to utilize this feature if you become a member. Right, so RX discount. So this is a discount program that they have incorporated into the, sorry about that, into the plan. And for those of you who are on medications or want, looks like it also applies to PET scans, screenings, blood work, that type of thing. And so you can utilize those discounts as well. FES travel is another part. Okay, so this is an added benefit as well, to have your own personal travel portal. It just says you can go up here and click to the website. You can access different flights, cars, packages, and different exclusive offers through this website as well. So you're getting discounts on a lot of different things through this portal. Okay, health insurance as well, this pretty much just looks like a health insurance portal where you can go search for the best plans based off of what you need. So just kind of a one-stop shop here. So that's pretty much it, but that's a lot, you guys. It took me over 12 minutes. I was trying to go fast, but that's what you're getting. It's not just the credit restoration, but it's how can we monitor our money, our spending habits, how can we learn how to use our money more efficiently, really keep track of things, and then also gives you some savings and discount or areas to save and get discounts as well. So if you guys have questions, just definitely drop a comment below, reach out to me. I have found this plan very beneficial to me so far in tracking everything. I'm usually pretty good with my money. However, not perfect, right? We're human. We're all human. So when you have the right resources and tools backing you, you can be more efficient. So if this looks like something that you are looking to improve on, your credit, your finances, it definitely will work for you if you utilize what we offer. So I'm going to leave my website in the description below. Make sure that you click my website. Once you click off of this video, please click on my website. It's going to give you or take you to a video, most likely, or at least a website that will allow you to request more information from me, request a time that we can speak to see if this is a good fit for you, or if it's something that could help you. Okay, so definitely do that, and then make sure that you like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I will be putting out more videos. I don't just talk about credit on my channel. I also am into investing and trading as well. So if you subscribe to my channel, you might see a variety of different videos and different topics. So but they will be informative, they will be helpful. So thank you guys for hopping on. Thank you for listening to this information, as I know it can be valuable, very valuable for a lot of people. All right, so I'll catch you on the next video. I'll see you next time.